Hi everyone, this is my 1991 Toyota Land Cruiser. This year is around 35 years old and I've owned this Toyota Land Cruiser for quite some time now. And honestly, I still enjoy driving it. It's not the fastest or newest car, but it has its own character. Over the years, it has taken me to many places. So before we dive into today's video, let me show you some memories with this big old boy. This Land Cruiser has been with me on quite a few trips already. Some short, some are much further. And every trip has its own memories, and that's why I still love this old car. But when the car gets to this age, you also learn to be a bit more prepared. Not because I think you'll break down every time I drive it. It's just that older cars don't have all the modern features that newer cars have today. And that's what today's video is about. One common issue with older cars is a flat battery. Maybe I accidentally leave the headlight on. Maybe I don't drive the car for a few days. Or maybe the battery is simply getting old. These things happen. And one day, you turn the key. Oh, and nothing happens. It just doesn't start. Usually it's not a big problem. Most of the time it's just a flat battery. But if you're outside or in the middle of a trip, it can be very inconvenient. Normally when this happens, what we'll do is we'll call for someone or another car to get help from. So now let's do it the traditional way first. Open both bonnets. Take out the jumper cables. Connect the red clamp to positive. Dead to donor. So the first red to the dead one. And then this one to the donor. Black clamp to negative. Donor to unpainted metal. Double check everything. Then start the engine. And honestly, this method still works. We have been doing it for years, nothing wrong with it. But then, we need another car. We need someone to help us. And both cars need enough space to park close together. If you are somewhere quiet or traveling alone, you might have to wait before someone can help you. That's why I started carrying extra help in my Land Cruiser. So this is the Vtoman V6 Plus jump starter, and I've been keeping it in my Land Cruiser just for emergency case. Hopefully I don't have to use it lah, touch wood no. But I rather have it in the car just for peace of mind, because old cars, you never know what will happen the next minute, especially we are in somewhere deep or somewhere where we can't get help from. Okay, so now let's have a quick look at what's inside the bag. And the manual, the jump starter itself, the Jumpstart Cable, and also the USB-C charging cable. Now let's take a closer look at the jump starter. I think the design is very simple. So this one is the power button, and also battery level indicators. Now it's full battery. And here you have the ports. This is the USB ports. So this port, you can use it to charge your phone or other devices. This is really useful when you are on a long trip or camping and need to charge your phone or other small devices. And there's a built-in flashlight which can be useful if you need to jumpstart your car at night. It has 4 different flashlight modes. The first one is a normal steady white light. Then there's a white strobe, a red flashing mode for emergency, and a pulsing random white light. So now let's see how the VTOMAN V6 Plus works with my car. So now let's see how it works. First, we connect the smart jumper cable to the jump starter. Next, we connect the red clamp to the positive battery terminal. Next, we connect the black clamp to the negative terminal. So the smart cable will let you know if everything is connected correctly. Anyway, that's for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy some time with my Land Cruiser, and let me know what other emergency tools you have in your cars. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.